Hi, we're the HPP Group and we help businesses improve their IT and software solutions. Now, if you're already a Sage 200 user, one of the options available to you is to host your software in the cloud in something like a data center. Now, actually, we provide our own data center specifically set up for small and medium-sized businesses and therefore businesses that are likely to be using Sage 200. Now, by moving your software to the cloud, you still get all the same functionality and it works in exactly the same way from an end user perspective. But what you're doing is removing the need to have on-premise servers and on-premise equipment to run that software. So if you're taking your business in more of a cloud direction, but you don't want to move off Sage, then this is a great option for you. There's a number of benefits from moving a package like Sage 200 up into a data center like our own, primarily around cost savings, so you don't have the cost of the equipment, the physical equipment, to buy that if it's time to replace that equipment. Also, you don't have the ongoing maintenance of the physical equipment itself, and you don't have the additional costs. So obviously, if you've got a server room, you might have the electricity costs there and also the cooling costs as well. So it can remove all of that kind of thing. Now, it also means that you get benefits from the management side. So in terms of rolling out updates, they become much quicker and much easier as well. And because of its nature of being cloud-based, it means that people can connect wherever they are. So whether in the office, whether in the home, or ultimately wherever they are with an internet connection, they can connect in and use that software. So if it's something that you're interested in finding out about, whether you're an existing Sage 200 customer or you're looking to purchase Sage 200 for the first time, it does apply to virtually every version of Sage 200 out there that's existed, with one exception. That's the Sage 200 Online product. That is a pure cloud-based system, so therefore it is already hosted. But any other version of Sage 200 will work, as will the add-ons and any bespoke that you've got as well. So it's literally like picking it up off your existing server and putting it up in the cloud and gaining all of those benefits. We're also a Sage 200 partner as well as an IT provider, so we can help with the setup of the Sage system. We can even provide support for your Sage system and installation for your Sage system if you're looking to either upgrade or buy a new copy of the software itself. If you're interested in finding out how we can help, request our free review. As the name suggests, it's completely free, it's no obligation, and what that will enable us to do is analyse your existing setup at the moment, make recommendations on what you would need to do and how to implement a hosted Sage 200 solution as best as possible. So all you need to do is fill out that form and we'll get the ball rolling.